Hey folks, it's January 19th, 2013. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. We're in southwestern Virginia. We've had some Dixie snow. And I'm with my man Chris. And we are riding up to a place called High Knob to go see if we can unload these old skidoos and do some riding. There was a lot more snow a couple days ago. It's been pretty warm. Roads are starting to melt off, but you know what? We're going to give it a shot. We're up here on High Knob, January 13th, 2013, rural southwestern Virginia. You can see a real long ways here. There's a little natural gas well here. There's all kinds of little roads run up through this area. It's called High Knob. Is this Jefferson National Forest we're in?
Yep.
We're in Jefferson National Forest. We're probably not supposed to be riding snowmobiles in Jefferson National Forest, but, you know, it's not like local law enforcement has, you know, stopped us. So, anyway, it's a beautiful day. The snow comes and goes as it does down as far south as we are. We're right on about the 39th parallel. So, anyway.
We're having fun. That's all.
We're having fun. We got a 71 Skidoo Elan 250 and a 69 Skidoo Olympic 320. And anyway, we're just having a good time.
Don't forget the spare.
What's that?
Don't forget the spare.
Oh, the spare, yeah. We've got a 68 Olympic back at the trailhead in the back of a truck in case we have a problem with one of these. So, here we are. Beautiful day out here. This is a big area. Looks like deer have been like pawing up acorns right there.